Good morning, class 9. Today we will do question number 4 and 5 of exercise 8.1. Question number 4. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Now, we have to show that the diagonals of a square, it means we are given with a square and we have to show that the diagonals of the square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Now here ABCD is a square where AC and DB are the diagonals and intersect each other at point O. It is given to us. Now in the figure ABCD, it is a square and we will use the properties of the square, means the all the sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degree. Now for the first part, in the first I am going to prove that the diagonals are equal. For this I am taking triangle ABD and ACB. I am taking these two triangles. Here AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of the square. AB is common and DAB angle is equal to CBA angle, each 90 degree. So by side angle side criteria, both the triangles are congruent, and by CPCT we can say AC is equal to DB. I have written all these here, that in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of the square, and AB is equal to AB, that is common. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, each 90 degree. So by side angle side criteria, triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC. So by CPCT, DB is equal to CA. It means the diagonals of the square are equal. Now what we have to show? We have to show that the diagonals bisect each other. It means OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. We have to show for the second part, and for the third part at right angle. It means angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have to prove that these angles are of 90 degree. For the second part I am taking these two triangles AOB and BOC. Here AD is equal to BC, opposite side of the square. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4, vertical opposite angle. Angle 5 and angle 8. These are alternate interior angles. So we can say by angle side criteria, both the triangles are congruent. So by CPCT, OD is equal to OB and OA is equal to OC. Now for proving that they are intersecting each other at right angle, I am taking these two triangles, triangle AOD and triangle DOC. Here OA is equal to OC, proved above in the second part. OD is common and AD is equal to DC. These are the sides of square. So by side criteria, I can say that both the triangles are congruent. So by CPCT, angle 2 is equal to angle 1. But angle 2 and angle 1 both are forming a linear pair. It means if they are making a linear pair and both are equal, it means angle 1 and angle 2 both are of 90 degree. Similarly, we can see angle 4 and angle 3 are 90 degree. So we can say the diagonals of the parallel square. The diagonals of the square are intersecting each other at 90 degree and bisecting. Now here I have done all the proof which I have told you. So you can do it by yourself. Now in question number 5, actually question number 5 is the reverse of the question number 4. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Now this time the diagonals are given equal and they bisect each other at right angle. Then we have to show that that quadrilateral is a square. ABCD is any quadrilateral. It means here DB is given to AC, OD is equal to OB, OA is equal to OC, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 all are 90 degree. To show ABCD is a square, it means we have to show AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. And all the angles we have to show that all angles are 90 degree for proving it is a square. Now for the first part, I am taking a triangle AOD and BOC. These two triangles I am taking. Here OA is equal to OC given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, each 90 degree, again given. OD is equal to OB. It is also given. So by side angle side criteria, I can say by CPCT part of the congruent triangle, AD is equal to BC. Now AD is equal to BC. Similarly, I can prove that AB is equal to DC. Similarly, I can prove these two sides are also equal. Now till the time I have proved that the opposite side of the quadrilateral are equal. It means it is a parallelogram. But I have to show that all the sides are equal. For that, now the second time I am taking triangle AOD and COD. These two triangles I am taking. AO is equal to OC given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90 degree, it is given. OD is common. So by side angle side criteria, both the triangles are congruent, and by CPCT, AD is equal to DC. Similarly, AB is equal to BC, I can prove. So from all the equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, I can write that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. It means all the sides of the quadrilateral are equal. It means ABCD is a rhombus. It is a rhombus. But what we have to show? We have to show that it is a square. And for proving it is a square, I have to show that angle A, angle B, angle C and angle T all are of 90 degree. For that, I am taking the bigger one triangles ABD and ABC. Here AB is common. DA is equal to CB. It is proved above. And DB is equal to AC. It is also given. Now, common side. These are proved in the second part. And the diagonals are given equal. So, by side criteria, both the triangle ABD and triangle ABC are congruent. By CPCT, the angle DAB of the triangle ABD and angle CBA of the triangle ABC, both are equal, but these are co-interior angle, and it is a rhombus, and the co-interior angles are supplementary for the rhombus. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, but both are equal, so we can say each of 90 degree. Similarly, I can show that angle D as well as angle C, these are also 90 degree. Here I have proved, I have taken triangle ABD, triangle BAC. By side criteria, both the triangles are congruent. By CPCT, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, but these are co-interior angles, so their sum is 180 degree. Why 180 degree I can take? Because of rhombus. Because of rhombus only I am taking it, their sum is 180 degree. So their sum is 180 degree, but they are equal, so each of 90 degree. Similarly, we can show that angle ADC and angle BCD are 90-90. So each angle of the rhombus is 90 degree. It means ABCD is a square.